Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and another street photography video. It has been a while since I've been out, been a little bit busy, but also the weather has been lousy, and not a good lousy, more of a kind of dreary, dull lousy. So not even any kind of rain or puddles and that kind of stuff to actually take some fun, kind of different kind of shots. So finally sunny, spring is finally, seems to be out there. There's a photo you'll notice of there's actually blossoms and blooms coming onto the tree. So we'll see some more of those in the next few weeks in my photos. So if you aren't subscribed, subscribe, follow along, and join on the street photography that I do. Hopefully you enjoy these photos. As always, I number them down in the right-hand corner, so let me know in the comments what photo you like the most, or any kind of constructive feedback is always appreciated. I love your comments, I love your feedback. So thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching, I do appreciate it. These were all taken on the Fuji XT4, this film simulation, not a recipe this time, is just classic chrome, and using, as always, the XC 35mm f2 lens from Fujifilm. I've had a few people ask questions over the week about some of the gear that I use for my shots. If you see street photography in the title, it's always with this lens, and you can find them down in the description below. There's links so you can check out all the lenses, that kind of stuff. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, let me know what photo you like. All right, hopefully you enjoyed. It's nice to see the sun finally out. I'm gonna get out again this weekend. Hopefully get some, like I said, get some sunrise shots. If I can get up early enough, the sun is rising pretty early now, but I'll do my best to get out, get some more photos. So again, if you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing, join along. And if you have a question on the Fujifilm camera, or if there's a particular film simulation that's a built-in film simulation or a Fujifilm simulation recipe that you'd like to see, first, check out to see my past videos, because I may have actually done a video on that certain recipe. But if there's something that you don't see that you want to see some sample images of, leave me down in the comments. Let me know what one you would like to see. I'll get out and take some pictures and give it a try. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you all in the next video.